guys, welcome back. This might be a short one, but my tripod ain't working that well. And I only have a clip to the cell phone, and I don't know how long it'll run out my total videos on my iPhone. But we'll see how long I can go. I have a GoPro 13 black 13, whatever you want to call that. I haven't really did much research in yet to see if it's any good, or I'm pretty sure it's good, but I know how to work it. That's what I mean. But I'm just leaving Field, BC right now. Waiting for this stoplight. Almost went on a red there, but so used to stop signs, not stop signals. Where I come from, anyway. But anyway, we're just headed towards west now on the number 1 highway. A lot warmer here than I left here in Alberta. Storming in Alberta, all the way to the Banff and Lake Louise. Up here, it seems like it's getting a little warmer. Back there, it was like minus 17 when I left back home. Up here, it's minus 3, so it's a big temperature change. Anyways, yeah, just left Field, BC. Just stopped in there, use the washroom, have a piss, you know what I mean? Anyway, we're on our way westward now. We're going to be destination is Salmon Arm, BC. You guys see in my last couple of videos, but did manage to get that snowmobile running, one of them anyway, the one that already had the motor in it. I was messing around with it first, and let's see if I can get it going the way it is without cleaning it up, but I didn't know how messy it was inside the car. It was all gummed up. And that's when I started to take it apart and clean it up, because it wouldn't go, and the fuel pump wasn't pumping, or I was sucking on the fuel and there was no fuel coming out. What the heck is going on here? So that's when I decided to take it all apart and clean it. Lucky I took it all apart. It only took me a couple hours. Just the right cleaning and the right patience to do it right. You want to take your time when you're doing that, because you want to make sure you do it right. So luckily I had a whole bunch of carb clean, and yeah, she was plugged right full of gummy old oil or something. Now that snowmobile is a 1982, and she's oil injected. So the injection works, but I don't know how long I'm going to keep it running it for like that. Maybe when I get home next time, I'm going to disconnect the oil injection on that 1982 Ski-Doo Citation 3500 and mix the gas to 40 to 1. It's nice weather going into this way. It's not too much snow. The road seems pretty decent. if I'm going to go to Salmon Arm tonight or somewhere to camp for the night, and then I got to go to work tomorrow morning, bright and early. So yeah, I might be just outside Salmon Arm because I don't know if the hotel allows you to park there overnight or not. Like I work with the company, but I don't know if the hotel will allow me to sleep there in the parking lot overnight. Some hotels are all right with it. Some hotels are, I don't know, they're weird about it. Like they don't want you to park there. I'm afraid of because other people might come in and start camping there. Same thing, right? So, but if you have a big company like the company that I work for, and they all take hotels there, and so it shouldn't be a problem. So I don't know what the problem is. Some hotels, like most of the hotels in Alberta and Saskatchewan, where I go, you're allowed to park there, and they have no problem with it. And you're even allowed to plug in there and camp there overnight. That's if you're. I wouldn't try it if you're not with a big crew or something that stays there at the hotel, or a big name. You know what I mean, company name. But anyway, just head up west here, guys. Probably next stop will be Golden. Out here. I got 2 sweaters on. I left this morning with 2 sweaters on. It was minus 22 or something this morning when I left. And then yeah, I had to put 2 sweaters on because it was that cold at home. But up here now, it's the further I go now, it's the sun's not out either, so that takes a big difference. But it's minus 5. Minus 5 is all right. I can deal with minus 5. So if I touch this tripod, I don't know if it'll flick off on me. How long I can do it like this, but See, my truck rocks in if I get going too fast or something, she rocks like a boat. And the cause of that, my brother told me, was your stabilizer bar. You need to update your stabilizer bar, and probably heavy duty your springs on the back, or heavy duty your shocks, because with the load on it like that, she's rocking the way she's factory, right? So I need to update to a bigger stabilizer bar for the back. So yeah, that's the only thing. See, when she's on cruise, she starts to rock like that. She likes to giddy up. Yeah, when she gets rocking, she rocks like a boat in high seas, like big swells, like the sides of the waves are hitting the side of your boat, and I tell you, it's not fucking pleasant. It's you either gotta slow down or take the foot off that gas pedal, but. That's why I got to uplink to a stabilizer, but you got to be very careful here in the winter time. It could be very bad. Snow up here again now. It's coming down. I don't know how much snow they're supposed to get, but maybe a few centimeters, but I don't know. propane last night. I went into Brooks, got some propane and stuff. I got my 2 bottles filled up. So that will keep me warm now. Put the furnace on, and that'll keep me warm now when I'm working away from the hotel. I'm gonna find a spot. But yeah, there's a spot up outside Salmon Arm. It's a place, Canoe. That's what it's called. You find them on iOverlander. It's an app, and you get all the free camping spots and places where people camp, or best spots around, right? So, well, there's a place there on iOverlander. There's a few spots there. So it's one right beside the highway. It's almost like a pit. But it's all secluded with trees, I guess. But I think I'm gonna check out that spot here later, and hopefully it's good, so I can camp there tonight or another time. Still didn't get my lights figured out. Sometimes he works, sometimes he don't. So I don't know what's going on with it. But I'll figure it out some other time when it gets a little bit warmer. But that's my tail lights on my camper and stuff, and my clearance lights. Yeah, it's all new wiring in the camper. So I don't think it's coming from there. I think it's just coming from something else. I don't know. But anyway, I have my brother made up some brackets for me. We went down to Canadian Tire, got some sheet metal, and cut it in 3 strips. And then we curved it and carved it to the way and then I bought these magnet lights in BC. They're for they have stop signal and stop and signal and left and all on there, and brake lights all into one. So I got them stuck on there. We put the brackets on, we bolted them on. Drilled a couple holes through the back of the camper there on that flat piece, and yeah, it's I got those magnets. They're stuck in on there right now. It's magnet stop lights and signal lights. They work perfect actually. You just sit right on there and stick right to it. So, and then you just plug in. So you got emergency lights, and just because I have an issue going on with my camper lights. So it comes in handy. You need your lights in the back. See, in this area here, I don't know if you guys can see, but I did a couple camping trips in here on my last couple of videos. You know, in this stretch here, it's just before Golden, and it's just before 10 Mile Brake Check Hill, just before Golden. But there's no cell service in here, and down in the valley down there, or even up here shaking somewhat, but yeah, it's very bad. So but it's nice camping spots down there. I'm definitely going to go back there camping again one day. But I like to discover around and see what's out there. See if I can find some more beautiful campsites. I want to get further in the bush. Anyways, guys, hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe and comment, and yeah, and we'll catch you on the next one. Maybe when I get up to my next destination spot, I'll do another quick video. Anyways, stay tuned, and thanks for watching, and bye bye for now. Cheers.